Hello, my name is Manuel Salcedo and I'm going to talk about 10 reasons that can cause noise on presentation time. So, number one is when you are making a presentation not so good for the view or not so interesting, the people can be bored or paying attention to other things. Number two is when you are talking and all these, but not with different tones of volume or tones of your voice, because you make something flat and not so good for the people. They are not paying attention to you. Number three, and this one is common on Tech Millennium, is when you are having a class or something like this, and the workers are working and making noise on constructions or something like this. Number four is when someone in the classroom is talking too much and it's not paying attention, so the other people is it's more interesting for them the conversation than your class. Number five is making a presentation a little boring, not so interactive, so people is oh come on, I need to do something, not just hearing someone to talk and talk and talk. Number five is when you are and this one is one of the following steps we learn in class, is drinking water, because you are not drinking water and people start paying more attention to your I don't know, voice like this, and I don't know, and not so much to the class. Number six is when you are making a presentation not so interesting for the people, like no images or no different colors and something like this. Number seven, and this one is so common in class, is texting or talking by the cell phone, because people start playing on Facebook and things like this and not paying attention to your class. Number eight is when you are you don't know the exact information or contract information about your presentation, so people start getting that and they know that you don't know what are you saying, you are not convincing. Number nine is when you are having a presentation and people, I don't know, making a presentation on before breakfast or something like this, because people just start thinking about food and not your presentation. And number 10 is when you are when you are making a presentation and you don't make something different, you do the same that many people do, so people start saying oh, this is the same. So what I recommend that you could do to make something different is following the steps we learn in class, practice your presentation, had the exact information about what are you saying, taking care about opinions of other people so you can change or modify your presentation. Drink water, something like this, so you could do a perfect presentation. Thank you.